Hey guys, I don't know if it's going to be part of a longer video or whether it's going to be incredibly short, but I got a 2009 Harley. I'm working on the ECM connectors. I've got some pins that I think have fretted out, so I'm going to pull them, depen them, rewire them, put everything back together and pray. But I didn't see anything on the internet, anywhere, YouTube or otherwise, saying how to finish taking this connector apart. And I've worked on a lot of cars, I've seen a lot of connectors, and too often you end up breaking the connector and then finding out later, oh, that's how you did it. So I figured this out without breaking it and thought I'd show anybody who wanted to know how to do it without taking a chance at breaking it. There's two pins here. This is where it's the first place it's being held in, and there's two hooks at the back here that are also holding it in. So if you stick your little screwdriver above in this little hole and you pry upwards, prying might not be the right word, you're not trying really hard, but if you lever it up, leverage that up against the bottom piece, it pulls those tabs out. And then once you do that, you can pull it up, but you've got to go upwards up here first, and you got to go this way a little bit for it to pop right off. And these are the little hooks that I'm talking about, so you got to go forward a little bit to make them let go, and then it pops right off. I might come back and show a little bit more about the depinning, but I think that's already been covered on the net. You can find it elsewhere. So I hope this was helpful. I always hate taking the chance of breaking these connectors. Like I said, I've broken too many of them and had to replace them for no other good reason. Have a good day.